This tutorial will show you how you can use WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. So we'll show you the step-by-step how to get WhatsApp for your PC, how you can log in with your WhatsApp account, and how you can start using it right away. So just follow the steps in this video. But before we start with the video, if you're new here, then please consider subscribing to our channel for more similar tutorials like this one. The first step is to open any web browser on your Windows PC or your Mac, and then you'll want to type WhatsApp Web. After that, open the first link, which should be web.whatsapp.com, and you're going to get to this page where you'll see a little QR code. Now go and grab your mobile phone, whether it's an Android or an iPhone. The steps are the same. Open your app, then go over to the settings by tapping the little gear icon, which is located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Go over to Linked Devices, then Link Device, which will then open our camera. Just point that camera to the QR code on the computer, wait for it to scan, and then you will be logged into your WhatsApp account. You can then start messaging friends and family members, and you can use WhatsApp for your PC or laptop. Thank you so much for watching this video, everyone, and I will see you soon.